you reach this stage and you take a rat tail comb and you decide to comb from the roots to the ends, that is when you are going to see a lot of breakage in the comb. When you do that, you are breaking your past, your present, and your future hair. Hello sisters, welcome back to the channel. It's me Seni, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take down your protective style. I've had this protective style in for about a month. I've gotten a lot of new growth and it's time to take the style out. A lot of the times, if you've been following me on this channel, you know that I like to do a lot of natural updos because number one, it takes like 30 minutes to do and it takes like 5 minutes to take out. It's like simple like that, but I wanted something more long term, and that's why I decided to braid my hair. A lot of my clients braid their hair like this and they always say they get a lot of shed, get a lot of breakage when they take down their hairstyle, and that's why I'm doing this video for them and for you watching as well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the safest way to take down your protective style so you not get unnecessary breakage. And to start, we are going to be needing 3 things. The first thing is a comb. Now, you're not going to be using this part of the comb. This is not the part of the comb. This is not the part of the comb you are going to be using. It's this part, a rat tail comb. This is one of the few instances you actually need a rat tail comb in your regimen. So we are just going to be using this pointy part of the comb. The second thing you're going to be needing is a good conditioner. I'm using the Every Strand Shea and Coconut Oil Deep Moisture Hair Mask. It's a conditioner. You can use a leave-in conditioner, a deep conditioner. Any conditioner you have works well. And the last thing you're going to need is a hairspray. You can use ordinary water, you can use rose water, but you know, I'm going to be using my DIY spray because that's basically what I use in my hair. This is just rosemary, cloves, and hibiscus infusion. I'll be using this for my scalp massages, and today I prepared a new batch to take down this style. So these are the 3 tools we are going to be needing for this. Take note, my go-to detangler is flaxseed gel, but today I just want to do it simple. I want to show you that you can achieve same results using other products. Now, so this is my hair. I've gotten a lot of new growth and it's time to take it out. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is just spray this on our hair. I'm just spraying and I'm going to be working it in well. If it's not cornrows, it's just braided down too. You can take the hair like this and spray it. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking my conditioner. I'm almost out of this conditioner. Take the conditioner, then apply it on like this. Work it into your hair strands. The last thing I'm going to be doing is taking my bonnet like this. This is going to be on my hair for about 10 to 20 minutes. Just so the products we just used will penetrate into our hair strands well. So this is how my hair is going to be. Maybe you have some chores to do, you just go do your chores. Then you come back. So after 10 to 20 minutes, I come back, I take it out, and this is where the work begins. I'm going to be taking the first strand, okay? Now, if your braid is very long, you're just going to need a pair of scissors to cut the excess hair so you can take less time when detangling. But don't cut too much because you might cut your real hair. So this is what you are working with. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be using this part of the comb. I go in like this, like this. It's as simple as that. A lot of sisters use their hands when doing this. You can use your fingernails if you have longer nails, but it's just easier when you go in with a rat tail comb like this. To be gentle is key. I like to take down my protective styles after a good meal. I'm watching some Netflix, listening to a podcast, watching a YouTube video. That's when I take my time and take out my braid. Another tip is you do not have to do everything at once, meaning that you do not have to take all the hairstyle out today. You take it out after an hour. If you're not done, you just leave it. Go and do what you want to do. Just relax. Then when you're feeling up for it, you come back and continue. As I said earlier, you can use your hands, you can use your fingernails, or you can use the rat tail comb. When I start at the end, I use the rat tail comb. It's easier. But when it's getting to the thicker parts, I like to use my fingers. It just goes faster for me that way. The goal is to take your time. When you're gentle, you do not lose a lot of hair. When you're in a hurry, you're in a rush, you cause more tangles when taking out your hairstyle. So be gentle. Can you see what's happening here? A lot of you just yank it out like this. That's how you lose a lot of hair. Just take time and work out the extensions out of your hair. It's as simple as that. The ends of my hair is tangled, so I'm just going to finger detangle a bit. Remove shed hair, go ahead, detangle. So far, as you can see, I didn't mention comb your hair. I did not mention comb your hair because I don't comb my hair when taking out protective styles and this. When you reach this stage and you take a rat tail comb and you decide to comb from the roots to the ends, that is when you are going to see a lot of breakage in the comb. When you do that, you are breaking your past hair, your present, and your future hair. You are breaking all the progress you've made. You are breaking it out. That's when a lot of sisters say, "I did protective style, but my hair is not good. It's always the same." It's because you are combing out all your progress. You are breaking your progress. Do not comb your hair. Finger detangling gets the job done. This, you can just take the spritz it on the hair. Still finger detangling. You take a little bit of the conditioner, you apply it to the roots of your hair, to the ends of your hair. You just work it in your hair, your edges. Then you divide the hair into 2 sections. Then you loosely twist. You see, shed hairs come out easily. And that is basically the whole process. It's as simple as that, my sisters. So we go on to the next. You try to work out where your hair ends. You cut off the excess hair. This stage is very important because any little mistake, you're going to cut off 2 inches of hair, and we don't want that. Make sure it's not your hair you're cutting. Then you go ahead, the tail of the rat tail comb, you just begin to unravel the braids. The way I'm separating my hair is an attempt to remove the extensions from my hair. So you just gently separate. Now this is how the hair is looking. You finger detangle, taking out the shed hair. Then I go ahead with my spray. Last but not least, the conditioner. You divide your hair into 2 sections. Then you loosely twist. And that's how I take out my protective style with minimal to no breakage. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. It's Miss Sunny, and until the next video, I'm out.